Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Yes, and if this is your first time here, welcome to the family.
We are so happy you found us. Every single day, we help you speak English with real conversations, real situations.
And real mistakes, especially my mistakes.
That is very true. Tom, don't forget to remind everyone.
If you want to improve your English every day, click that subscribe button right now. It's free and it helps you learn faster.
We're getting closer to a big goal, too, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it. You're part of this family now.
Okay, today's topic is so important.
It really is. Today we're talking about apologizing for being late.
Oh, this is definitely my topic.
Yes, Tom, this is 100% your topic.
Okay, before we start, I have to tell you something.
Should I tell them or do you want to?
No, I'll tell it myself later.
Okay, everyone, let me ask you something first.
Lily, don't.
Last month, Tom was late to a very important meeting, and his excuse was unusual.
It wasn't that unusual.
It involved a dog, an elevator, and his boss's coffee.
Okay, that's enough details for now.
So here's my question for you. Do you think Tom's boss actually believed his excuse, or is his boss still thinking about it right now?
Write your answer in the comments. I want to know if you believe me.
We'll tell you the whole story in a minute. Let's start with a simple conversation first. So, Tom, tell me honestly, are you a person who is usually late?
Honestly, yes. I am always 10 minutes late. It's like my personal brand.
10 minutes? Be honest.
Okay, sometimes 20 minutes.
Oh, Tom.
Traffic is always terrible in this city. It's not really my fault.
Sure, traffic. That's a very popular excuse.
It's a classic for a reason.
Okay, tell everyone the story from last month, the real one.
All right. So I had a very important meeting with my boss and 2 new clients.
What time was the meeting?
9 o'clock in the morning, sharp.
And what time did you arrive?
9:35.
Tom!
I know. Let me explain.
Please explain.
So I left my apartment early, actually. I was proud of myself.
And then what happened?
There was a little dog running in the street, no owner anywhere.
Oh, no.
I couldn't just leave it there. It could get hurt. So I tried to catch it.
You tried to catch a random dog before an important meeting?
Yes, and I did catch it. It took 10 minutes, but I caught it.
Okay, that explains some of the time. What about the elevator?
The elevator. After the dog situation, I finally got to the office building. I ran inside, pressed the elevator button.
And?
It got stuck between the 3rd and 4th floor for 12 minutes.
12 minutes?
I was standing there, sweating, thinking about my boss checking the clock every minute.
So the dog and the elevator together made you 35 minutes late.
Exactly. And when I finally walked in,
What did you say?
I'm so sorry I'm late. I got held up on the way here and then the elevator broke down. It won't happen again.
Did you mention the dog?
No, I didn't think anyone would believe the dog part.
Honestly, I don't fully believe it either.
Lily, it's true.
I believe you, mostly.
Anyway, my boss just looked at me and said, "Please sit down. We already started without you."
Oh no, that's worse than getting angry.
I know. Silence is scarier than yelling sometimes.
Well, at least you apologized properly. That matters a lot in English, actually.
What do you mean?
There's a real difference between apologizing casually with a friend and apologizing professionally at work. Let's teach everyone both styles today.
Perfect, because I clearly need the professional lesson.
Okay, let's talk grammar for a second. When we apologize for being late, we often use the structure I'm sorry for plus a verb with ing, or I'm sorry that plus a full sentence.
Can you give an example?
Sure. I'm sorry for being late. That's sorry for plus verb plus ing.
Okay, and the other one?
I'm sorry that I'm late. That's sorry, that, plus subject, plus verb. Both are correct, and both are very common.
What about explaining the reason, like my dog story?
Good question. We usually use because to give a reason. For example, I'm late because there was a lot of traffic.
Or I'm late because I was helping a lost dog.
Yes, exactly like that. Though people might look at you strangely.
What about promising it won't happen again?
Great question. We use will for a promise about the future. I will not be late again. Or, in short form, it won't happen again.
I use that phrase a lot.
I noticed.
Fair.
Let's move to the main section now, where we'll learn full phrases you can use in real life, both casual and professional. Let's start with the most basic one. Sorry I'm late. Simple, casual, perfect for friends.
Can you use it at work, too?
You can, but usually with people you know well, like close coworkers.
Actually, I used this last week with my friend Sarah. We planned to meet for coffee at 6, and I arrived at 6:20.
Again, Tom, you have a real problem.
I know. So I ran into the coffee shop and said, "Sorry I'm late, my phone alarm didn't go off."
Was that true?
No, I just woke up late and panicked.
Tom!
What? It's a small lie. She wasn't angry, though. She just said, "It's okay, I ordered your coffee already."
Aw, that's a good friend.
The best.
Now let's go more professional. I apologize for the delay. This is formal and perfect for work emails or meetings.
Can you tell a story with this one?
Actually, yes. Last year, I was leading a project meeting, and my train was delayed for 20 minutes.
You were late? I don't believe it.
It happens to everyone sometimes, Tom.
So what did you do?
I sent a quick message before the meeting even started. I wrote, I apologize for the delay. My train is running late, and I will join in 15 minutes.
That's smart. You told them before they even noticed.
Exactly. Communication is everything. When I finally arrived, everyone just said, no problem. Thanks for letting us know.
See, that's the difference. You informed them early.
Unlike someone who arrives with a dog story.
Okay, I get it.
Here's a very natural, common phrase. I got held up. It means something unexpected stopped you.
I actually love this phrase.
Tell us why.
Because it's mysterious. You don't have to explain everything.
Or maybe because you don't want to explain the dog again.
Maybe a little bit of that too.
Give us an example, though.
Okay, 2 weeks ago, I told my brother, "Sorry, I got held up at the office. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Was that true?
Actually, yes. My boss asked me a question right as I was leaving, and I couldn't just walk away.
See, that's a real, honest use of the phrase. Well done, Tom.
Thank you. I do get some things right.
This next one is useful when you don't want to share every detail. Something came up.
Isn't that a little vague?
Yes, on purpose. It's polite when the reason is private or complicated.
Can you share a story?
Actually, yes. Once I had to cancel dinner with a friend because my neighbor's apartment had a small emergency and I helped her for an hour.
What did you tell your friend?
I said, I'm so sorry. Something came up. Can we reschedule for tomorrow?
Did she understand?
Completely. She just said, of course, take care of things first.
That's a really useful phrase then. Simple, polite, no long explanation needed.
Exactly. You don't always have to explain every detail of your life.
Unlike me and the dog.
We are never going to stop talking about that dog. Our last phrase today is very formal. Please accept my apologies. You'll hear this in serious business emails or important situations.
Isn't that too formal for daily life?
Yes, you wouldn't say this to a friend, but for a client, a boss, or an important meeting, it's perfect.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine you missed a client's important video call. You could write, please accept my apologies for missing our call. I had an unexpected family situation.
That sounds very professional.
It is, and it shows real respect for the other person's time.
I should probably use this phrase with my boss.
Along with a better excuse than a dog.
The dog was real, Lily.
I know. I'm just teasing you.
Okay, let's quickly review everything we learned today.
We learned 5 great phrases for apologizing when you're late.
Sorry I'm late for casual situations with friends.
I apologize for the delay for professional emails and meetings.
I got held up when something unexpected stopped you.
Something came up when you want to stay polite without too many details.
And please accept my apologies for very formal, serious situations.
That's a lot of useful phrases for one day.
It really is, and now you can apologize like a professional, not just with, sorry, traffic.
Hey, traffic is still a valid reason sometimes.
It really is, honestly.
Now we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments what is the most creative excuse you've ever used for being late.
Or the most creative excuse someone gave you.
I promise whatever it is, it's probably not more creative than mine.
We'll be reading your comments, so don't be shy.
And remember, don't forget to answer our earlier question too. Do you think my boss believed me?
We're not telling you our opinion.
No spoilers.
That's it for today's episode of Daily English Talk.
We hope you learned some useful phrases for real-life situations.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like and share it with a friend who is always late.
Or share it with yourself if that friend is you.
Don't forget to subscribe. We upload a brand new episode every single day.
We're almost at 70,000 subscribers, and every single one of you helps us grow.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We'll see you tomorrow with a brand new topic and probably a brand new mistake from me.
Definitely a new mistake. See you next time, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Take care.